Today, we are proud to present the EcoPro Series Outdoor LED display, custom built for our client in Georgia. This LED screen is installed on a slanted building exterior, and we have designed a tailor-made inclined mounting solution to ensure a seamless architectural fit. Spanning a total area of 164.5 square meters. This display is assembled using YUCHIP P10.42 EcoPro Series Outdoor LED display. You can pair it with a custom glasses-free 3D video, enhancing your space with cutting-edge visual innovation. Ultra-high brightness, reaching up to 8,000 nits, ensuring perfect visibility even under direct sunlight. Wide viewing angle, up to 140 angle, delivering excellent visuals from multiple perspectives. Exceptional durability, with an IP65 protection rating, making it resistant to extreme weather conditions and capable of stable operation, even at -30°C. YUCHIP specializes in custom LED display solutions, delivering superior visual experiences worldwide. Thank you for choosing YUCHIP.